Warning. If the topic of psychological manipulation and emotional enslavement of women offends you, I want you to stop watching this video. And if you want to continue, you must agree never to use this knowledge to hurt women. Deal? Great. Let's start. You've probably heard of mirroring somewhere and how it's a powerful way to make women like you more. And now you want to learn everything you can about it. It's true. If you want to be great with the ladies, then you'll want mirroring to be in your toolkit of techniques. In this video, you'll learn all about the psychology of mirroring and how you can use this technique to make yourself better with women. Does that sound good to you? Yes? Now, let me ask you this. Ever noticed that whenever you're in authority on the current conversation topic, or if you're simply talking about something that excites you, you tend to be more animated? You move your arms, you gesture with your hands, you even touch the person you're talking to. And as a result, people pay more attention to you and agree with you more. Yes, right? Well, that's the power of nonverbal communication. That should tell you one thing. If you're not a master of nonverbal communication, or better known as body language, then you're less than half as good with the ladies as you could be. That means, of all the women who would have liked you, only half end up actually doing it. You'll go on half the number of dates you could have had. You might still meet the woman of your dreams, but it's going to take twice the amount of time. But if you are a master of body language, you get double everything. Double the women who like you. Double the dates. You may very well meet the woman of your dreams in half the time. So make no mistake, you must master body language. And the most powerful body language technique out there is the reason you're watching this video. It's mirroring. And by the end of this video, you'll know what mirroring really is, why it works, and how to start using it today. Sound good? Yes? Well, before we go further, however, there's something I want you to do for me. Could you help me out by clicking like? That will really mean a lot to me. Go on and click like now because I'll wait here. Click like? Great. Let's continue. So what's mirroring? Well, mirroring is simply mimicking her body language. For instance, if she's sitting relaxed with her hands clasped over her stomach, you should do the same. If she seems a little tense with her arms and legs crossed, you should likewise assume the same position. The result, she likes you and trusts you more, almost instantly. Simple, right? Why does mirroring work so well, though? It's all because of a flaw in the female mind. While it can filter out words that imply familiarity, it cannot filter out actions. This is the reason why, when you tell a woman you just met, "I know exactly what you feel," she immediately seems to resist you. That's because, in her mind, she thinks, "You know how I feel? But I've just met you. You've got to be up to something." Meanwhile, if you imply familiarity with your actions, such as by mirroring hers, she can't resist that. And as a result, deep inside, she'll feel that familiarity with you. She'll think, "There's something about this guy I really like. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to find out." Which reaction would you rather get from women? The second one, right? Mirroring is great for building rapport. It creates that powerful emotional bond that opens the doors to romance. And you're about to learn how to do it, so continue watching. So there are 3 things you'll need to do when mirroring a woman you like. Here's the first one. Number 1, obey the 3-second rule. That is, you should only mimic her actions 3 seconds after you notice them. This is to keep her from noticing you're mirroring her movements. That's because when she notices, she'll immediately think you're mocking her. And when that happens, everything falls apart. She instantly dislikes you, she breaks rapport, and you ruin your chances with her. So don't be too obvious. Respect the 3-second rule. Now here's the second rule. Number 2, show genuine interest. Forget what the pickup artists say and don't fake interest. It's a no-win situation. If it doesn't work, she finds out you're faking and she instantly distrusts you. If it does work, you'll end up with an attractive but boring woman. Either way, you lose. And besides, it's easier to feel the same way she does when you feel real inside-out interest in her. Makes sense, right? Okay, now before we get into the third and final rule, I want you to do this for me. If you have enjoyed this video this far, then subscribe to my channel because that will guarantee that you'll get these videos from me in the future. Go on and click on the subscribe button because I'll wait here. Done subscribing? Great. Let's continue. So here's the third rule. Number 3, mirror everything you can. This includes verbal tics, physical tics, thoughts, feelings, tone of voice, breathing patterns. What's your goal for doing these 3 things? It's this, to reach the rapport inflection point. What is the rapport inflection point? This is the point when she likes you and trusts you so much that she starts mirroring you subconsciously. Try this. When you sense a strong enough emotional bond with her, do something very obvious. A good example would be to stretch your arms. If she does something similar within the next few seconds, you're in. You've successfully used the mirroring technique. Congratulations. She likes and trusts you enough. You're ready to take things to the next level with her. So far, so good, right? Now, I gotta warn you though, don't neglect verbal communications. You already know how important body language is in love and relationships. Simply, if you don't have the right body language, you'll only enjoy half the success you could have had with women. It's true. And yet, guess what? The opposite is also true. You might know how to mirror a woman, but you don't know the right way to carry a conversation with her. The result will be the same. You cut your positive results by half. Not good, right? So what's the right way to carry a conversation with a woman you like? Here's a clue. It's not having an intellectual conversation with her. You might have tried it before and gotten friend zoned for your efforts. That's the usual result for trying to be harmless. Here's another clue. It's not flirting with her. You might have tried it before and gotten rejected. That's the usual result when you haven't built enough rapport with a woman yet. So what's the right way? Answer, by using the fractionation technique. Fractionation is a storytelling technique. It involves putting your target on an emotional roller coaster. Think of the emotional roller coaster you get from following your favorite TV show, or the emotional roller coaster women get from reading novels like 50 Shades. And when she's emotionally addicted to you, good things happen. She'll like you, trust you, and when you lead the interaction to the next level, she'll gladly follow. Sounds great, right? I want you to remember this. If you want to be great with the ladies, you'll want to have the complete package. You must master both verbal and nonverbal communication. You've just received everything you need to start using mirroring on the women you meet. If you want the other half of the package, then you must master fractionation. Here's the thing though. I can't explain fractionation in detail in this video. It's already pretty long as it is. And that's why I'd recommend Derek Riggs' legendary online masterclass on mind control. After you sign up for Derek's masterclass, you'll know what fractionation and mind control is, how the technique works, and how to use it on women. A link will now come up in the video. Click it and the registration page for Derek Riggs' online masterclass comes up. There, enter your best email address because that's where your masterclass ticket will be sent. Do it. Click on the link now.